This video explains how to replace the printhead in your HP printer. First, you need to remove the old cartridges and printhead from your printer. Press the power button to turn on the printer. For the initialization process shown in a few minutes, you will need to load paper into your printer. Align a stack of plain white paper by tapping it on a flat surface. Slide out the input tray. Load paper into the input tray until it stops. Slide the paper width and length guides inward until they stop at the edge of the paper. Do not push the guides in so tightly that they start to bend the paper. Slide in the input tray. Open the cartridge access door. To do this, place your finger into the slot on the left side of the printer and then pull straight out. The carriage will then move into the access area. Turn to the back of the printer. Disconnect the power cord. Unplug the printer's power cord from the outlet. Return to the front of the printer. Lift the latch handle on the carriage. With the cartridges still in the printhead, grasp the printhead by its sides and lift it straight up and out of the printer. Do not remove the cartridges from the printhead. If you remove the cartridges from the old printhead, the printhead might leak. You can safely remove the printhead with all the cartridges inserted. You also want to avoid touching the underside of the printhead, because the ink can stain. Once the printhead and cartridges are removed from the printer, set them aside on a piece of paper with the printhead nozzles facing upward. In a few minutes, we will address how to prepare them to return to HP. Now you can install the new printhead and cartridges into your printer. Remove the new printhead and cartridges from the packaging. When handling the printhead, be aware of the electrical contacts and ink nozzles. Be careful not to touch the contacts or nozzles, because doing this can cause print quality problems and poor electrical connections. When inserting the printhead, make sure the nozzles don't touch or rub on any parts of the printer. The nozzle area is very fragile and can be damaged easily. Grasp the printhead on both sides with the electrical contacts facing the rear of the printer, and then insert the printhead into the carriage. Carefully lower the latch handle on the carriage. To avoid startup failures, it is recommended that you use the new cartridges that came with the new printhead. Now take the new cartridges out of the packaging. When handling the cartridges, be aware of the electrical contacts. Be careful not to touch the contacts, because doing this can cause poor electrical connections. Make sure you install the cartridges in the correct slots. Match the letter on the cartridge to the letter on the carriage. Be careful not to lift the latch handle on the carriage when inserting the cartridges. Doing so could damage the print mechanism. Holding the cartridge on the top and bottom, slide it directly into the open slot. Push the cartridge all the way in until it latches into place. Repeat these steps for the remaining cartridges. When the new cartridges are in, close the cartridge access door. Turn to the back. Reconnect the power cord. Plug the power cord directly into a wall outlet. Return to the front. Press the power button to turn on the printer. The printer will then start an initialization process, which might take several minutes. After the process is complete, an alignment page prints. If prepaid packaging was provided with a new printhead, follow these steps to return the failed parts to HP. If no return label and packaging was provided, dispose of the old printhead and cartridges responsibly. Visit hp.com/recycle for more information. Place the ink absorbing pad in the plastic package that the new printhead came in. Place the old printhead, with the cartridges still installed, in the plastic package with the nozzles against the absorbing pad, and then close the package. Put the plastic package and the completed printer supplies return information card into the box the new parts came in. If possible, also include a print sample showing the issue with the old printhead. Close the box and then place it inside the prepaid mailing envelope. Seal the envelope, and then, depending on what kind of return label was provided, put the package in the mail or drop it off at a FedEx location. The printer is now ready for regular use. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP printer support.